Hi, how are you? Do you want to practice English in a conversational way, like real life? Then this video is for you. Stay until the end because today we're going to do something simple, fun, and practical. We'll practice short, real life situations, and in each situation, I'll give you just a few key phrases to repeat. Only 2 or 3, so it stays easy and not boring. All right, let's start. Today, we're going to practice 3 short real life moments at a coffee shop, asking for directions, a small problem at a store, and I'll tell you a short, funny story that connects them. Situation 1, coffee shop. Simple and real. Imagine you walk into a coffee shop. You want to order, but you want to sound natural. The worker smiles and says, "Hi, what can I get for you?" You can say in a calm and simple way, "Can I get a coffee, please? Can I get a latte, please? I'll take a small, please." Now, let's practice just 2 phrases together, nice and clear. First phrase, "Can I get a coffee, please?" Now again, a little slower. "Can I get a coffee, please?" Second phrase, "I'll take a small, please." Now again, "I'll take a small, please." Good. Now, one word that many students struggle with is the word coffee, not coffee in Spanish. In American English, it's more like coffee. Let's practice the word one time. Coffee. Great. That's enough. We don't need to repeat it too much. Now, let's continue the situation. The worker asks, "Anything else?" You can answer, "No, that's it. Thank you." Perfect. Quick story, short and fun. So, in the story, I order my coffee. I grab it and I walk outside. And as I'm walking, I realize something. I forgot my phone. I stop. I check my pockets. I check my bag. No phone. And I'm like, "Oh no!" But I don't panic. I breathe. And I decide to go back inside. This is a real life moment. You need to ask for help. Situation 2, asking for help inside the coffee shop. I walk back in and I say, "Excuse me." This is a very useful phrase. Let's practice it once. Excuse me. Good. Then I say, "I think I left my phone here." Let's practice that sentence only one time, nice and clear. I think I left my phone here. Great. Then I ask, "Can you help me, please?" Let's practice that one time. Can you help me, please? Perfect. Now, in real life, the worker might say, "Sure, what does it look like?" Or, "Where were you sitting?" Or, "Let me check." And I would answer simply, "It's a black phone. I was sitting over there. That's it. Short and clear. In the story, the worker checks and they don't find it. So now I'm thinking maybe I dropped it outside, and I start walking, looking around, feeling a little stressed. But then I see a man walking a dog, and I decide to ask for directions because I need to go to the store to buy a charger because my phone is missing and I want to be ready when I find it. Yes, I know, this story is dramatic, but it's real life. Things happen. Situation 3. Asking for directions. Real and common. I see the man and I say, "Hi, sorry to bother you." That's a very polite phrase. Let's practice that. Sorry to bother you. Good. Then I ask, "Do you know where the nearest store is?" Let's practice that sentence one time. Do you know where the nearest store is? Great. The man smiles and says, "Yeah, it's 2 blocks down on the right." Now, here's a word that can be tricky. Nearest is pronounced like nearest. Let's practice the word once. Nearest. Nearest. Good. Now, let's continue. I say, "Thank you. I appreciate it." The phrase is natural and friendly. Let's practice it one time. I appreciate it. Great. Situation 4. Small problem at the store. Simple customer service. Now, in the story, I get to the store. I grab a charger. I go to the checkout. The cashier scans it, and the screen shows a higher price than I expected. So I smile politely and say, "Excuse me, I think this is the wrong price." Let's practice just a short part of it. I think this is the wrong price. Good. Then I say, "Can you check, please?" Let's practice that one time. Can you check, please? Perfect. Now the cashier might say, "Oh, you're right. Let me fix it." And I can say, "Thank you." Simple. Now, here's the funny part of the story. I walk out of the store feeling proud because I handle it. Everything in English. And then I hear a phone ringing. It's coming from my jacket pocket. And guess what? My phone was there the whole time. I just didn't feel it. I stop and I laugh and I say to myself, "Wow, I went through all of that stress for nothing." But honestly, it was not for nothing because I practice real English in real situations. And that's the point. Quick practice. Recap only a few phrases. Now, let's finish with a quick recap of the best phrases for today. Just a few, simple and useful. Can I get a coffee, please? I think I left my phone here. Do you know where the nearest store is? I think This is the wrong price. Can you check, please? I appreciate it. And one more, because this one is powerful. Sorry to bother you. Thank you for practicing with me today. If you stayed until the end, that is a win. You're training your ears. You're building confidence. And you're learning real English. If you want more episodes like this, please leave a like, subscribe, and write a comment. It's free and it helps this English practice podcast grow so I can keep making more videos for you. I'm Ellie and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!